There's beauty in everything, soul even. Humans want to be moved by something. We seek it out, and if it doesn't exist, we create it. Dynaudio lives in Denmark, Skanderborg. It's a pretty little town next to a beautiful lake in eastern Jutland. And it's where we at Dynaudio have been creating things that move you for decades. Because sound, music, can move us more than anything else. Some of us have been here for decades, creating the speakers that create memories. Robots can do a lot, but whenever we can, we like to do things with our own hands. We take our time because it matters, and what a feeling that is. We mix the classic with the cutting edge, and we don't cut corners. We know how to make low frequencies punch, we know how to make detail shine through, and we know how to give you exactly what the artist intended in the studio. Every single part, every component has been designed by a person, considered by a team, tested, listened to, discussed, and listened to some more. It takes months of training to be able to put the finishing touches to our speakers. Why? Because someone will have them in their house. The culmination of years of technical research and pursuing the spirit of what makes music, music. Because it all comes down to this: the science of art, listening as humans.